A government minister is questioning the intent of some of the demonstrations staged in the country in the last 2 weeks. The issue was raised as JLP members addressed party supporters in St. Andrew. More from Dwayne Anderson.
Policymakers and negotiators had to gather at the bargaining table several times in the last 2 weeks after some public sector groups took their frustrations public with a series of protests. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in addressing the industrial climate in the country, insists his administration will not ignore public sector wage reform or any other pressing issue in the way many did before his time.
Things that people had the opportunity to do 50 years ago, 30 years ago, they never do it. They never do it. But now they bring it and put it at my feet and say, me must deal with it. But you know what the Bible says? Young man, I call upon you.
But local government minister and senior JLP member Desmond McKenzie is not convinced the unrest is purely about industrial relations. Mr. McKenzie referenced one protest in particular which he found curious.
In all of the 31 years, they formed government for more than 18 of the 30 odd years that they were in government. And during that period, I never hear one demonstration in a Westmoreland over road.
It is why he's convinced something more sinister is at play.
It's not road they want to fix. They want to destabilize the government. They want to use any means outside of facing the electorate. But this government is not going to back down from any challenge.
Despite that, he stressed that the Andrew Holness-led administration will be fixing many roads. He said some of those road projects will be announced in Parliament this week. Furthermore, he explained that the government supports the people's right to free assembly.
You can demonstrate as much as you want. We have nothing against demonstration. It is a right that you have, but it is not a right that you must abuse and prevent production from taking place.
The politicians were speaking at a JLP meeting in Northwest St. Andrew on Sunday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.